Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For growing tomatoes you will need one container like this, and I have cut slices of one tomato, and you will also require some garden soil. I have prepared a mixture of garden soil and some compost. You can take any fertilizer you have with you. I have taken vermicompost and garden soil. Now I will cover this drainage hole with a small stone and pebble. And now fill in the pot with the soil. Now one by one I will put the tomato slices on the top of the soil like this. Now cover the tomato slices with the soil completely so that the slice of the tomato is not visible. Water the soil gently without disturbing the slices. After a week you will see the seeds germinating into seedlings like. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel.